KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back to spring temperatures in the mid-70s again this afternoon in spite of mostly cloudy skies. Change on the way though as it goes in February. We'll be heading back toward winter temperatures for tomorrow night, and in between pretty good chance of scattered showers and storms developing late tonight through early tomorrow morning. We'll get to the timing in just a bit. First off, big picture across the lower 48. Active pattern still with one storm system affecting the Midwest into the Great Lakes and the Northeast, where winter storm warnings have been posted, so more trouble there and more trouble back in the Pacific Northwest. That is going to be producing more snow and heavy snow at elevation, rain at lower elevations, and even more snows all the way down through the Sierra Nevada, where winter weather advisories have been posted as well. Meanwhile, locally, a lot of rainfall for our friends off to the north and west, and this area is actually separating cooler temperatures versus milder temperatures, and this is why our weather's been so changeable. We have a low pressure system. You can kind of see it up here. That's spinning along and moving along the jet stream that is just to our north. So we get these quick fronts, but then the next low pressure system moves in and we warm up, and then we see our rain chance. We get another front, we cool down, and that has been the pattern over the last several weeks for sure. Lots of cloud cover on the weather map tonight. Also fog showing up nicely down at Sippermore Point and also by Cameron. So a little bit of a fog issue at least early this evening, but as the night wears on, the wind picks up a little bit more, so we start getting things stirred up by all the showers off to our north and west. Now locally, not a whole lot going on. We're really searching for a shower or two showing up on the local Doppler radars this evening, a little one just south of Opelousas, but most of us dry tonight, and we're going to keep it that way up until about 10 o'clock tonight. 11 o'clock or so we might see an isolated shower, but notice the latest predictive radar run hammering the northwestern part of the state with showers and embedded thunderstorms. A couple of strong storms possible up here, but we're not expecting any severe weather. Then after midnight, I do think we'll start to see showers beginning to pop up, but the main action coming in closer to 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. This latest run a little bit slower with the front, and best rain chances at least through the pre-dawn hours. So 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, that's when we do expect showers mostly. Few embedded thunderstorms. Front moves on through at daybreak, but still lingering rains at least through the mid-morning hours tomorrow, and then things will be drying out in the afternoon. And as we mentioned, a very warm day today, got up to 75 officially for the high. Most of us upper 60s to lower 70s, and there you see the cooler air, temperatures in the 50s, Waco up through Dallas late this afternoon. So RPM model, Futurecast model indicating much the same here, with activity picking up around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning across the area. Front moves quickly, so the showers move quickly, so we don't get a whole lot of rain with this system. Lingering showers through midday, and then by lunchtime, skies begin to clear western areas. Chilly air will be following into tomorrow night. Nice and breezy, and still maybe in the lower 60s for drive time tomorrow evening, but then the cold air coming in. And as we move into Wednesday, we haven't said this in a long time. How about a mostly sunny day? We haven't had one since February 2nd. So maybe the groundhog knows something. We'll give him a little bit more credit than where credit's due. So as we're looking at the rainfall totals, most of us get a 1/4 inch or less. This is the RPM model. Best chance of maybe a better soaking, Franklin, Morgan City on the RPM model. And we'll look at the predictive radar model, kind of showing pretty much the same situation. Heavier storms off to the north. Most of us less than a 1/2 inch of rain, maybe a little higher amounts off to the east, but by and large, just enough rain to wet the ground, give the plants something good, but we need a good downpour to get that crawfish pond action going as well. Temperatures mid-60s early in the day, mid-60s in the afternoon, but there'll be a breeze during the day tomorrow. Then tomorrow night, upper 30s to lower 40s, so feeling like winter again. And there's your mostly sunny and pleasant day on Wednesday. Temperatures right where they should be for this time of year. We'll take a normal day. Haven't had those in quite a while. So mild this evening, showers and a few storms likely later on tonight, well after midnight. 62 the low, with your rain chance shooting up to 90% overnight, 60% early tomorrow, but dropping down to 0 in the afternoon, and hopefully a little sunshine late in the day. But I wouldn't bank on it quite yet, but we'll bank on the sunshine for Wednesday. 67 the high there. Milder as we finish out the week, and right now the weekend this is a European model I'm leaning towards, going with milder temperatures, highs in the 70s and lows ranging anywhere between the 40s, 50s, and 60s.
All right, thanks, Rob.